Hi, my name is Jamie Dick. I've been at Ahead for a little over a year now, and I am a cloud services engineer that specifically focuses on the AWS cloud. What motivates me here really is the empowerment from, like I've said, my manager, from my peers, from Ahead as a whole. You know, when I was hired at Ahead, I was kind of hired as a more junior employee. I didn't have a lot of technical depth. I didn't have a lot of confidence in myself. You know, I hated public speaking. And fast forward to now, a year later, you know, I am very deep in a lot of aspects of AWS. I have so much more confidence in myself. I've led workshops for clients. I've been in front of our innovation days, which is when we bring in clients and prospective clients to teach them AWS foundations. I've gotten involved with community user groups to share some of the cool stuff that I've built. And it all stems from the empowerment that Ahead offers. In my manager, in my peers, in my one-over-one, everyone is so empowering, and that's really enabled me to be successful here. Yeah, so I think really to me what sets Ahead apart from everywhere I've worked before and other opportunities that I had is the people here. I think Ahead does a really great job hiring the best in the industry, and being able to work alongside all of these people that have such depth and all of these different skill sets, all these different technologies, and being able to share that knowledge across the company is really, to me, what sets Ahead apart. Yeah, so really some of the tools and resources and just really why I was able to excel so quickly here at Ahead is a lot of things. So the support that I've received from my manager and my team and even cross-team to enable me to learn new tools and new skill sets is a piece of it. Obviously, Ahead provides a lot of access to training, to take certification courses, and really empowers us to do that, as well as just access to the lab, right? So I'm trying to learn a new technology and having the ability to leverage Ahead's lab to go in and build things, tear things down, and fail fast so I can be successful in the future. My team is awesome. When I first joined, it was much smaller than it is today. There was probably like 15 of us on the team, and we've rapidly grown over the last year. It's comprised of AWS engineers and architects, Azure engineers and architects, and even a lot of DevOps engineers. But my team is awesome. Everyone is always willing to help out and step up when someone needs it. So a lot of times I'm asking for help. When I first joined, I leaned on my team to really learn what we're doing today and how can I, take that in and be successful with clients. So the support from my manager and even my manager's counterparts has been awesome and really enabled me to grow here. Collaborate, innovate, and drive. A lot of companies have some sort of catchphrase or motto, and to come into Ahead and hear collaborate, innovate, and drive at the very beginning, and then to really see that in action, over the last year has been incredible. Like I've said before, the people, the resources, the knowledge across this company is so vast, it's so incredible, and the willingness and to share that, to work alongside people, not even just within the team, like within my cloud team, but cross practice with security and networking. It truly is embodied here. Everyone is willing to collaborate, help out when they need to build these awesome solutions that set us apart in this industry and drive each other to grow as individuals and as a team. My most proud moment really was 2 days ago when I was recognized for being a triple threat. That's someone who embodies collaborate, innovate, and drive for this company. It was awesome to be recognized in front of my peers and my coworkers, but I think it really speaks to just Ahead as a company and who we are. I think we are constantly trying to recognize all of the people here that are doing really great work, that are trying to go above and beyond and better Ahead in the future. And I think that's my most proud moment of my professional career thus far. Yeah, so some advice I would give someone who's interested in applying here is really have a passion to learn, right? I think that's what Ahead values more than anything, because as proven with me, they brought me in, I didn't know a lot, but I wanted to learn, and I did. And this last year, I've learned so much, and I've seen that with other people who have come in. Maybe they've come in and they've had a lot of experience or a lot of knowledge on skill set A, but they wanted to learn more. So they've branched out, they've gone into different pieces of our practices, they've learned different skills. So really, if you want to come work here, you got to want to learn, and you'll be successful.